Introducing the DDPAI Z60 Pro 4K dashcam, available now on Aliexpress. This advanced dashcam is powered by dual Sony STARVIS sensors, with the IMX678 on the front and IMX662 on the rear, delivering crystal-clear 4K front recording and 1080p rear recording. With HDR technology, every frame is balanced and sharp, whether you're driving in daylight or low-light conditions. Enhanced with RealCube 2.0 image tuning and AI Night VIS 2.0, the Z60 Pro ensures brighter and clearer night footage, even during parking surveillance. When driving at high speeds, its 3K 60 frames per second recording captures every detail smoothly, eliminating motion blur. The Link multi-channel system allows flexible setups, including front, rear, and even cabin view with an optional 2K camera, all synchronized through the DDPAI app. With optional 4G connectivity, you can remotely access footage, wake up your dash cam, capture snapshots, and track your vehicle's location in real time using GPS. For continuous protection, the Z60 Pro supports 24/7 parking monitoring with time-lapse recording, saving storage while still capturing every detail. Thanks to Wi-Fi turbo technology, the built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures faster downloads and seamless playback, even with large 4K files. Storage is worry-free with D²save 2.0 dual storage technology. The dash cam includes 32 GB internal eMMC and supports up to 512 GB MicroSD expansion, with automatic backup to safeguard your recordings. On the road, ADAS 2.0 provides real-time safety alerts, while voice control lets you take photos or save short clips hands-free. The 3-inch IPS display adds playful driving emojis and SR 2.0 effects, making your ride more engaging. Built-in GPS records your routes, speed, and time, all accessible via the DDPAI app. With premium imaging, smart safety features, and modern connectivity, the DDPAI Z60 Pro sets a new standard for dash cams, giving you confidence and peace of mind every time you drive.